Hey everyone, Crash and Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. I have finally the final completed video of the Firebird convertible. Out in the sun. It's getting picked up this weekend. This was like almost a complete restoration. I wouldn't say complete. Motor is original, some of the paint is original, interior was done already before it came in, but you saw the other videos. If you haven't, check them out. There was a lot of rust repair, full floors, rockers. Previously at another shop they did quarter panels, door skins, front fenders. We did lower valance on it also. There was a ton of work that went into this new subframe, underside all fresh and new wheels, 18s all the way around, 1 inch wider in the back. It came out great. It was it's meant to be just a clean, easy driver. And that's exactly what it is. And that green out in the sun against the pearl white interior and white top, you can't beat that combo. I'm gonna put it up on the hoist and give you a quick peek underneath. I'll probably pop the hood inside too. It's just stock and restored everywhere. We did do disc brakes in the front, slotted and drilled. It stops on a dime, that's for sure. Let's pull it in and check it out. Let me show you under the hood. Just fresh, clean, and restored. Original looking, right? When we did the disc brakes, dual master cylinder, that's all new. Lot of new pieces. You know, overflow tank. We switched it over from a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel. But the internals of the motor are all original as far as we know. We didn't touch any of that, just cleaned up the outside and bolted it all back together. New wheel tubs that got powder coated. Firewall was also new because it was rusty, sprayed satin black like original. New core support, that was powder coated also. Just super clean everywhere. Like you can see, brand new control arms. It was a whole new subframe assembly, pretty much, kinda ready to go. You know how it always goes. There's always something. Let's put it up in the air, and I'll show you the underside super quick. Got that pearl white factory interior. Really, it's all somebody previously, you know, put a new interior kit in it. We did a few things that they missed, but you can tell the dash, original black paint, original gauges, center console is all original, steering wheel's original. You know, there was a handful of good parts on here that we didn't have to mess with. Pretty much everything under here is fresh and new. Like I said, new subframe, all the control arms, coils, gearbox, spindles, and disc brake kit, all new. All the steering is new. Hard lines for the transcooler, all new. Fuel line and brake lines are all new. Leaf springs original, rear end is original, gas tank is original. Just an aftermarket, factory-esque dual exhaust, nice and quiet. Dumps right here, behind the rear wheel. You can see though, all new floors, front to back. Just painted satin black like the factory would have. Just clean, 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 right? drive it and have a good time, which is what it should all be about, I think. Ain't no fun if you're not driving them. That is all she wrote on the Firebird convertible. I have a bunch of videos of progress, different stages, how far down we took it, and check those out. It was a nice challenge. A lot of shops turned him down on what he wanted, and man, if a shop turns customer down and ends up with me, that just seems like an extra challenge in my book. And we stepped up. It's going to be a super nice driver for him and his family. Lots of miles of cruising. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content as always. I do appreciate it. Thanks.